Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you how you can disable automatic updates in WordPress. WordPress introduced automatic updates in WordPress 3.7. It allowed WordPress sites to automatically update when there is a minor update available. While automatic updates are great for security, but in some cases they can break a WordPress site, making it inaccessible. So I am going to show you two simple ways with which you can disable automatic WordPress updates. With plugin, without plugin. But make sure to back up your website just in case. If you don't know how to back up a WordPress website, watch this video first. Now let's get started. First, let's do it without a plugin. You can disable automatic updates in WordPress by adding single line of code in your wp-config file. If you're using localhost, then you need to go into the install directory, inside XAMPP folder. Then click htdocs folder. And inside installed WordPress folder, locate wp-config file. Double-click to open. Use any code editor to edit. Under the opening PHP tag, paste this line of code. This will disable all WordPress updates. Hit Ctrl S and exit out. Now if you're using a live server, you need to log in into your cPanel. Under Files, click File Manager. In the left sidebar, click on Public HTML. Here locate your wp-config file. Right-click and select Edit. Paste the same code here. Save changes and you're done. If you want to receive minor core updates, but disable theme and plugin updates, you can do so by adding the following filters in your theme's functions.php file. Go to Appearance, and click Theme Editor. From the right sidebar, click function.php file. If you get this notice, just click on I understand button. Scroll to the bottom and paste these two codes there. Do same with the other two. Click on Save Changes. You have successfully disabled automatic plugin and theme updates. Now let's do it with a plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, hover on Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar type, Easy Update Manager. Install and activate it. Now hover on Dashboard. Now we have a new option called Update Options. Here you can manage your updates. By clicking on Disable All Updates, it will disable all updates including WordPress core update, plugin and theme updates. This is the easiest way to do the job. Now if you again click on Enable All Updates, you will receive minor WordPress updates, and now you can individually manage updates for plugins, themes. Also you can manage translation updates and core notification emails. If this video helped you in any way, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. See you later. Alligator.